Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find out smallest number and largest number in range of cells in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our number. So first we are going to find out minimum number. Now you see different numbers and then you see minimum. Now select and then on top you see formula bar, right here equal, and then write a min and then bracket and then select cell like this and drag and drop. Now you see D2 colon D8, again add bracket and then press enter. Now you see minimum number 5 and then we are going to find out maximum number for this cell. Now select this and then on top you see formula bar. Now select equal and then add max maximum bracket, again select cell and then drag and drop like this. Now you see E2 colon E8 and then again add bracket. Now press enter. So this is our maximum number. So in this way you can find out minimum, smallest or largest number in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.